Welcome back to another episode with Wasowski Inc. Today we're going to be swapping out the transmission oil cooler, the factory one, with one of these True Cool oil coolers. Now, I already went and installed it, but just a little walkthrough of the kit. Now, this is the size of the new one. It's fairly big compared to the old stock one. You know, you can kind of see it of the height and the length. And it's also pretty thick. Now, the kit comes with your instructions, you know. It also comes with a pack of fasteners and some hosing. This is not the right size. This is just what I was left over with. The kit here comes with these fittings that you just screw onto the bottom of your new tranny cooler. Comes with a couple just so you can figure out the right sizing on that. And then after that, you just go ahead and put one into here. And then this will already be screwed. It comes with fasteners to tighten this up. You know, some brackets and bolts to fasten it up to your vehicle. Now, I will be leaving the link in the description of the actual kit I use so you guys can order it if you guys are curious about it. But it's a fantastic kit, pretty easy to put on, and I'll show you that right now. Welcome back, guys, to another episode. Today, we're going to be doing a simple transmission cooler swap. So I have this one. This one's not factory. I have swapped it out a bit ago, but this one was just fairly simple. Just take out this pin. See that little small one right there moving? And then this will just pop out and just pop out back in. It's a new one, but we got the big boy right here from True Cool. We're gonna be swapping this one, and this one comes in with new fittings, which I've already put on my tranny cooler with the new lines right here. And we're just gonna, for this swap, we're gonna have to actually cut this line, the hard line, and then just put it into that line and fasten it down. That's why I got me my cutter right here. So we'll just cut these out, and then we'll go ahead and swap that one in. My new tranny cooler on, so that way I could just cut the line and right away splice it, so I'm not struggling here with this on here and stuff. So took that one off, installed the new one. Now we're about to get to cutting. I did forget to compare them side by side out of the box, but in this clip you can get a small glimpse of what they look like next to each other. That's where I decided to make my first cut. That's totally up to you guys. That's personal preference, but that's what my cut's gonna do for me. Okay, so that's what the cut looks like. Make sure you slide you put your fastener onto your hose before you go ahead and attach it, so you're not having problems later on. I'm gonna go ahead and just that's where I made the second cut. Ball lines out. Oh yeah. Now I just gotta put my fastener. Onto my hose. sure you feed this line into this line as far in as you can, so that you ain't having no issues later on. You know what I mean? Right up. Alright guys, everything's nice and tight. Doesn't seem like we have any leaks, boys. Seems like it's working. So you guys go, that's how it looks up, all finished up. Not too hard, just cut some lines, splice, refasten, and it should be good to go, bud. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll stay updated with the build. Thank you.